Can you grow bean plants from 16 bean soup mix? Good morning, everybody. This is Deb from Just Do Something Homestead, and today we're going to do a little experiment. I'm sure you've heard of these packets of beans that include 16 different types of varieties. I bought this at my local Aldi, 20 ounces. That's 1 pound and 4 ounces for $2.29. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could plant these bean seeds? First off, what kind of beans are in here? Let's see if we can read it. There's a little glare. Large lima beans, small white beans, red kidney beans, baby lima beans, great northern beans, garbanzo beans, black beans, pinto beans, cranberry beans, I don't know what they are, pink beans, whole green peas, yellow split peas, lentils, green split peas, small red beans, navy beans, and black-eyed peas. Well, right from the get-go, we know that the yellow and green split peas are not going to grow because, well, they're only half a seed. But what about the bean seeds? I can tell you wholeheartedly, those beans will grow. In fact, they grow very easily. These beans are 3 days old. And instead of paying, $2 an ounce, these would come to about 10 cents an ounce. But if I plant all these beans, how am I going to know what I planted and what will grow? Let me show you what I did. First, I picked out 2 of every bean I wanted to try. I planted one in seed starter mix, and then I took the other one and I taped it to a stake. That way, when my bean plant came up, I knew exactly which seed it was. Then I went through my entire pack and sorted them into the groups of 2. Now, some of them, like the garbanzos, I had a pretty good idea weren't going to come up because I know they're tricky to raise. After I took out the peas and the garbanzos, that left me 12 different varieties. And out of the 12 varieties, 9 of them produced a bean. Now, a couple things to note. It is way too early to plant beans outside, so I am not going to start the rest of my beans until the soil has warmed up outside. Then I will plant them. And second off, who knows if they're hybrids? You may end up with some beans that have never been seen before. Bean seeds last for years, even decades. So if you're cleaning out your pantry and you find one of these soup mixes, you may want to consider planting it. If you enjoyed this little experiment on planting bean soup, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye-bye.